move on the map, never slip. What you gonna do when you at, who you with? You ain't really about that, don't you? Really on the move on the map, never slip. Put your hands to your lips, don't you? You ain't really about that, don't you? Really on the move on the map, never slip. Put your hands to your lips. Shh. Move on the map, never slip.
From the Darkside Tattoo studio. We're collaborating with Bad Cute Garage today. We've got Dave's Monaro down here looking wicked outside up by the stalls. So yeah, we're just selling cheaper flash, discounted flash. We've got our merchandising, we've got our prints. Come on down, you get a $50 gift voucher for the Bad studio. And yeah, good to see you and thanks for watching the video.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why are you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side? I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I don't with your digits, I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Hey, so Indies, yeah. Hey, so Indies, hey. Yeah. Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, they gang. This is all we say, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell them parking up, do that, we parking up. Giants out here sparking up, with the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up, this the wrong tree, I got the strength, see I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained, now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under rugs like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rapping like I'm turban. Yeah, these all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits. While they steady shooting bricks, man, it's lit. Yeah, it's lit. Me and Dale back to back, and yeah, I'm dishing this. Lame man. Always gonna be reaching for they hit, smoking like a clip. They can never catch me slipping. Every time your girl around, she be watch the way I'm dripping. Try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up like the fireworks. I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree. I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up. Got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I'm in flex mode with the best, though. That's a major key, that's a chess move. I'm your favorite G, I think it's best, yo. Stop with all the grilling, I'm on jet fuel. Taking off, clear the runway, now they cannot clip my wings. Yeah, they soft, they ain't homie, they ain't even on the scene. Play it smart, they don't know me, they just know what they see. What it costs to get flea, but this style ain't free. This that swag, this that splash, one wrong move, that's do the dash, keep a stash, just in case they tryna flash. Never lag, we don't slack, tell her I was running back. I don't brag, I'm relaxed, I'm not into all of that, yeah. It's really just the fam and my dogs, I just gotta make a call. I ain't into all that chatting, not at all. Yeah, I put that on the squad, we been out here going hard. We on deck, please don't make 'em. Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up like the fireworks. I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. This the wrong tree. I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can keep up. Got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name.
That's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It wasn't too much in terms of cars, but it was some really nice Statesmans there, GTS's and all that. It was a good little turnout of cars. My mate Steve come down in his HX, which was good to see. That RX-7, man, oh, what a beast. Plenty of tattoos done. There was a lot of people coming through. Pretty good turnout. It was the Darkside's first flash sale that they've ever done. Yeah, I think they were quite impressed with how many people come through and come up to the event. Happy to support them with future flash sales as well. Hope all you guys that are close by come down to get a tattoo if you're in the area. Make sure you hit them up and say that Bad Q sent you, because they'll give you a discount on any tattoo work. So yeah, I'll look up any of my followers and look after you. So anyways, that's a wrap. Take it easy. Thanks very much. Until next time. See yous.
Smooth on the map, never sleep. What you gonna do when you out? Who you with? You ain't really about that, don't you? Really on the move on the map, never slip. Put your hands to your left, don't you? You ain't really about that, don't you? Really on the move on the map, never slip. Put your hands to your left.